There are tons of things to consider when it comes to opting for the right learning management system. Choosing the right LMS is crucial for your business growth. Need help finding the right LMS? We have shortlisted top 10 e-learning platforms that will help you to choose the right LMS for your organization. So let's get started. Number 1. Paradiso LMS. We are not trying to boast about ourselves, but Paradiso is the best top 10 LMS for customer training and allows customers to learn on their own schedules. Paradiso LMS is a cloud-based LMS and provides a dynamic training platform with interactive tools, which makes learning engaging and interesting. Paradiso LMS has easy-to-use interface with gamification elements that keeps customers motivated and engaged. You can integrate more than 100 apps like CRM, CMS solutions, and video conferencing all together. In addition, our LMS is fully customizable to fit the requirements, from being mobile compatible, adapted for social learning, and supporting multi-tenancy. Number 2. Talent LMS. Talent LMS is SCORM and Tin Can certified LMS and ranks amongst top 10 LMS solutions. It comes with many custom options that allows you to set up the platform according to your organization requirements. Some of its features are video conferencing, course selling, notifications, gamifications, and extensible user profiles. Number 3. Litmos. With Litmos LMS, you can automate your training program, blending virtual, social, mobile, and e-commerce in one scalable platform. Ranking among top 10 LMS, Litmos LMS lets you manage the schedules, pricing, resources, amongst others. Number 4. NorthPass. NorthPass offers your business with LMS features that let you create and develop diverse e-learning experiences. It also facilitates integration with other systems to streamline your training process. Besides, you can sell and promote your courses through its e-commerce platform. Number 5. VisiQ. VisiQ's LMS allows you to build, deliver, and manage your e-learning courses in your own self-branded domain. Its features are easy to use, mobile compatible, and affordable. PropProfs. PropProfs allows you to deliver your training programs in e-learning mode and another type of content like SCORM objects, TinCap, PDF, PPT, Word, and online assessments. This platform could be used anytime, 24/7, making it a favorable option to choose for customer training. Number 7. Canvas LMS. Canvas LMS can be customized according to your interests and can be accessed through the cloud from desktop and mobile devices. Its platform has a pedagogical structure and the interface is intuitive and easy to use. Number 8. iSpring LMS. With iSpring LMS, you can easily and quickly upload your customer training courses, quizzes, videos, simulations, and presentations, and monitor their learning progress. It also displays statistics for individual performance to enhance the course engagement or replan your training strategy. Number 9. Metrics. This LMS solution is customizable not only for your company but also for your learners. It comes with multiple features including gamification and mobile apps, and also allows you to sell your online courses from the platform via a graphical catalog. Number 10. Docebo. This LMS software solution has ready-to-use modules and mobile support that lets you quickly design your platform, upload and distribute your course materials to your customers anywhere and anytime. It is very useful for your business presentations, training, and customer tutorials. It also offers you the option to share access control and have multiple administrators. So that was the list of top 10 LMS. I hope that it brings clarity and clears all the misconceptions regarding selecting an LMS as per your needs. If you need guidance in selecting the best LMS for your organization, contact us today or sign up for free trial.